enter LunaProxy official website. If you don't have a Luna account, you can register first. Enter personal email and set password. We also support 2 shortcuts, register for Google account and Apple ID respectively. If you already have an account, just log in directly. Go to Personal Dashboard. Select Sub-account from the list on the left. Click to enter the sub-account management interface. Then click Add Sub-account. You can set your account name, password and traffic usage limit at will. It should be noted that the traffic usage limit cannot be higher than the current remaining traffic of the main account. Click OK to set up successfully. Then click API extraction to enter the page. Select User in Authentication method. Find the previously added sub-account. Then you can use the proxy generator below. Make subsequent configurations according to your needs.